Hello everybody! Are you ready for play toys? Today we've got Play-Doh Monkey Dentist. We're back! With instruments. A drill. Oh, the cavity, tooth marks. Dentist mirror to check how clean your teeth are. An instrument. And tweezers. Ooh la la, monkey's head open, monkey, checky, no teeth. Monkey, what happened? And finally, the Play-Doh. Now let's start by making some yucky teeth for our monkey dentist patient. We take a little bit of black Play-Doh on the bottom. Press. Ooh, that's a lot of hard work to clean after that. Here we go, Mr. Monkey. For the next one, I'm gonna use brown Play-Doh, yellow Play-Doh, ooh la la! That is one yucky tooth. And white. Press. Down. Such a yucky monkey. I don't think you ever brushed your teeth. Be a little nicer and take just a dash of brown and lots of white. A little better. Now let's be real nice and make a real white, healthy tooth. Ooh, monkey, you must have brushed this one well. It's so healthy and clean. Let's be really nice and give monkey a favor and one more nice tooth. Here we go, buddy. Clean, white, beautiful. Monkey's been taken care. And for this little monkey here, let's do a mixture. White, yellow on the corner. Here we go. Another bad tooth. A little brown and white. Okay, Mr. Monkey, bed cleaning. A cavity. Ooh, a real nicey. Another cavity. Yellow yucky, need a cleaning. Oh, good job, Monkey. You can get a sticker for this one, so clean. Dirty plus cavity and super yucky cavity. I'm gonna start with the drill. Tweezers. And now we need a white filling. Here's the white filling. Now we have to build it. Just like Mr. Dentist does when you go. Oh look! 1, 2, 3 clean white teeth. Let's get rid of the next brown tooth. Ooh. Clean. Look at this stuff, Mr. Monkey. Can you please brush better? open, my dear monkey. I know it's hard. Look at another clean tooth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, I missed that one. Yeah, it's getting a little harsh. Oopla, we can't get it cleaned. Mr. Monkey, you need a brand new tooth. That's a beauty. Okay, Mr. Monkey, your tooth implant. We're gonna have to dig this one. Ooh, it hurts. No, not to worry. Look at this beautiful mouth. Getting better. Oh, I'm so tired. Can you please stop? Oh, you gotta learn to brush your teeth, buddy. Last one, I promise. Look, Mr. Monkey, you have to brush teeth better. You can't have brown, yellow, and black. Let's cut it. And here's your last filling. Okay, Mr. Monkey. That's all for today, but you gotta learn to brush your teeth.